Did you know that 67% of people with gym memberships never actually use them? Astonishing, isn't it? This surprising fact might stem from various reasons. Maybe they're unsure of what to do, feel intimidated by the seemingly complex machines, or they simply don't know where to start. It's a bit like being handed a toolkit without an instruction manual. But fear not, this video aims to change that statistic and help you get the most out of your gym membership. A gym without a plan is like a ship without a compass. Now that might sound a bit dramatic, but believe me, it's true. Let's get into why having a routine at the gym is so important. First things first, a workout routine sets a clear path towards your fitness goals. Whether you're aiming to build muscle, lose weight, or improve your overall fitness, a well-structured routine ensures every minute you spend in the gym is contributing to these goals. It's like having a roadmap that guides you directly to your destination. No detours, no time wasted. A routine also keeps you disciplined. It's easy to walk into the gym and be overwhelmed by all the equipment, the different exercises, and the people who seem to know exactly what they're doing. But with a routine, you walk in with purpose. You know exactly what you're there to do and you do it. It's a powerful way to stay focused and avoid distractions. Another great thing about having a routine is that it makes your gym sessions more efficient. Think about it. If you're spending time wandering around, trying to decide what to do next, that's time you're not spending working out. A routine takes the guesswork out of your gym time so you can get in, get it done, and get out. Having a routine can also prevent you from feeling lost or overwhelmed. Starting a new fitness journey can be intimidating. There's a lot to learn and it's easy to feel like you're in over your head, but a routine gives you a sense of control. It provides structure, direction, and a sense of familiarity in an otherwise unfamiliar environment. And lastly, a good routine helps prevent injuries. It ensures you're not overworking certain muscles while neglecting others, leading to imbalances that can cause injuries. It promotes a balanced, well-rounded approach to fitness that keeps you healthy and strong. So, whether you're a gym newbie or a seasoned pro, remember the importance of a routine. It's not just about what you do in the gym, but how you do it. And a solid, well-thought-out routine is a key part of that equation. Remember, a well-structured routine is your roadmap to success at the gym. Gym etiquette is not about rules set in stone, but about respect for others and for the space. Let's kick off with one of the most basic yet often overlooked aspects of gym etiquette, cleaning up after yourself. Once you're done with a piece of equipment, take a moment to wipe it down. Yes, even if you don't think you've sweated much. It's a small act, but it goes a long way in ensuring a clean and hygienic environment for everyone. Next up, the gym isn't a place to stake your claim. That means not hogging machines. If you're taking a break between sets, it's courteous to allow others to use the equipment in the meantime. Remember, everyone is there to work out, and everyone's time is valuable. Speaking of time, punctuality is key, especially if you're attending a group class. Walking in late can be disruptive and disrespectful to both the instructor and your fellow gym-goers. So make sure to arrive a few minutes early to get settled in. Now let's talk about personal space. The gym can get crowded, but that shouldn't be an excuse to invade someone else's space. Whether it's avoiding unnecessary physical contact or not standing too close to someone who's working out, respecting personal space is a must. On to attire. While there's no strict dress code, your gym clothes should be both comfortable and appropriate. So, avoid excessively loose or tight clothing that could either get caught in the machines or make others uncomfortable. And finally, let's touch on one of the golden rules. No unsolicited advice. Unless someone specifically asks for your input, it's best to focus on your own workout. After all, everyone has their own fitness journey and what works for one might not work for another. In the end, it all boils down to one simple principle: respect. Respect for the people around you, for the equipment, and for the gym space itself. By following these do's and don'ts, you're not just promoting a better gym culture, but also making the entire experience more enjoyable for everyone. Good gym etiquette ensures a positive and respectful environment for everyone. The gym is a jungle of machines and weights, but don't let it intimidate you. Navigating the gym can seem daunting with an array of equipment that might look like they belong in a science fiction film. But fear not, each piece of machinery is designed with a specific purpose in mind to help you achieve your fitness goals. Firstly, let's talk about cardio machines, the heartbeat of any gym. Treadmills, stationary bikes, elliptical trainers, and stair climbers, they all fall under this category. These machines are designed to raise your heart rate and improve your cardiovascular health. They're great for warming up, cooling down, or getting in a heart-pumping workout. Next up, we have resistance machines. These are your weight machines that target specific muscle groups. You've got your leg press, chest press, lat pull down, and many others. These machines are fantastic for strength training and muscle building. They're designed to provide stability and support, making them ideal for beginners or those recovering from injuries. Then there are free weights, dumbbells, barbells, kettlebells. These are the tools of the trade for strength and conditioning. Unlike resistance machines, free weights require more balance and control, giving you a more comprehensive workout as you engage additional muscles for stability. Last, but by no means least, we have functional training equipment. Think medicine balls, resistance bands, stability balls. These pieces of equipment are used for exercises that mimic everyday activities, improving your overall strength, balance, and flexibility. Now let's talk about safety. Always use equipment correctly. Incorrect usage can lead to injury. Don't be afraid to ask a gym staff member or a personal trainer for advice if you're unsure. And remember, it's not about how much weight you can lift, but about performing exercises correctly and safely. So, don't let the gym intimidate you. It's a playground of possibilities. Each piece of equipment a stepping stone towards your fitness goals. Understanding gym equipment is the first step towards a safe and effective workout. Warm-ups and cool-downs, they're not just time fillers, they're workout essentials. Let's begin with warm-ups. Imagine your body as a car on a frosty winter morning. You wouldn't just start it up and speed off, would you? Similarly, your body needs time to prepare for the physical exertion ahead. A good warm-up increases your body temperature, enhances blood flow to your muscles, and improves joint flexibility. It's like sending a wake-up call to your body, getting it ready to perform optimally during your workout. Now let's switch gears to cool-downs. Picture completing a marathon and abruptly plonking down on the nearest bench. Doesn't sound great, does it? That's exactly how your body feels when you skip the cool-down. This phase allows your heart rate and breathing to gradually return to their normal rhythms. It also aids in preventing dizziness or fainting spells by promoting blood circulation and preventing it from pooling in your extremities. Beyond these, warm-ups and cool-downs can also help reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery, making them critical for your overall fitness journey. They're like the bookends to your workout, providing a balanced and complete exercise routine. So, whether you're lifting weights, running on the treadmill, or doing yoga, remember to start with a warm-up and end with a cool-down. This simple habit can make a significant difference to your fitness levels and overall well-being. Remember, skipping warm-ups or cool-downs is like skipping breakfast or dinner. Your workout day isn't complete without them. Scene script. Hydration and nutrition are the fuel that powers your gym workout. Nothing drains your energy and hampers your performance quite like dehydration and malnutrition. When you're sweating it out in the gym, your body is losing water, and if you don't replace that lost fluid, your body can't perform at its best. Hydrating isn't just about quenching your thirst, it's about maintaining the balance of bodily fluids and keeping your muscles oxygenated. So don't wait until you're thirsty to take a sip. Hydrate before, during, and after your workout. Water is usually enough, but for intense, long-lasting workouts, you might need a sports drink to replace lost electrolytes. Moving on to nutrition, it's not just about what you eat, but when you eat. Before a workout, you need a meal that will fuel your body and give you sustained energy. This usually means a balanced mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. A bowl of oatmeal with fruits or a whole grain sandwich with lean protein, for instance, can get you through a workout without feeling lightheaded or sluggish. Post-workout nutrition is equally important. After a strenuous session, your muscles are like sponges, ready to soak up nutrients to repair and grow. A protein-rich meal or shake within an hour of your workout can speed up recovery and promote muscle growth. Don't forget carbs either. They replenish your energy stores, preparing you for your next session. Supplements can be a great addition, but they're not a substitute for a balanced diet. Getting your nutrients from whole foods is always the best option. If you're considering supplements, it's best to consult a professional to understand what's right for you. And finally, don't deprive yourself. If you're hungry, eat. Listen to your body. It's the best judge of what it needs. Remember, your body is a machine, and like any machine, it needs the right fuel to function optimally.